Unique, elegant design. Minimalist, simple life. Classic calendar and week window. Durable, comfortable, thick 316L black solid stainless steel band. IP matte plating watch case. Never fade. Hard legs. Suitable watch weight. Smooth watch surface. Product packaging. This watch is well packaged in a stylish and luxurious CRRJU watch box with manual and watch tools. It will be a wonderful gift watches for yourself or for that special someone. Waterproof, 3 ATM, hand wash, swimming, no problem. Note, do not press any buttons in the water or wear this watch for long-time underwater activities, such as diving, etc. After sale, all CRRJU watches, free return within 12 months. Add to your cart now. Ensure you receive the luxury casual business watch on Amazon. Movement, Japanese quartz. Case and band, thick 316L stainless steel in some variants. Water resistance, 3 ATM. Good for hand wash, rain, not for diving. Glass, hard lex glass, more scratch resistant than regular mineral glass. Functions, chronograph or stopwatch, minute second counters, date or calendar. On some models, a week window, day of the week, is mentioned. Build or finish, IP matte plating on the case in some models, which helps with fade resistance. Warranty or guarantee. Official site mentions a 12-month movement guarantee. Case size or thickness. For the chronograph model, around 40 millimeters diameter.